Have you ever wanted to go back in time and stop yourself from texting your ex at 2 a.m.? Or maybe jump ahead to see if humans finally live on Mars? Or just still fighting over pineapple on pizza? Well, welcome to the world of time travel, where science fiction meets what if. Time travel, in simple words, is moving between different points in time, just like we move in space. Sounds easy, right? Wrong, because time is weird, like really weird. Einstein once said, time is relative, which means time doesn't tick the same for everyone. Crazy example, if you hang out near a black hole, time literally slows down for you. So you could age 1 hour while someone on Earth ages 7 years. Yes, Interstellar wasn't lying. Okay, so can we actually do it? Forward in time? Technically, yes. Astronauts on the ISS, International Space Station, age a tiny bit slower than us on Earth because they're moving super fast. So yeah, they're mini time travelers, but traveling back in time? That's where things get messy. Theoretical physicist Kip Thorne said it might be possible using wormholes, like cosmic tunnels through space and time. Problem? We don't know how to make them. And if we did, you'd need something like exotic matter, which we haven't found yet. Also, you might create a paradox. Let's say you go back in time and accidentally stop your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. Congratulations. You just erased yourself from existence. But wait, if you never existed, who went back in time to stop the grandfather? Boom. That's the grandfather paradox. And it gives physicists and your brain a serious headache. Time travel is one of those ideas that makes us dream big. It forces scientists to question reality, and nerds, like me, to imagine what if. Can we time travel today? Nope. Will we ever do it? Who knows? Maybe one day we'll watch this video. Yesterday. If you enjoyed this brain twist, hit that like button, subscribe, and remember, you can't change the past.